Struggling with elbow pain during workouts? Try these adjustments. First, rotate your handles. Fixed grips on machines or barbells can stress your joints. Using rotating handles or dumbbells lets your arms move naturally and reduces torque on the elbow. Second, use lifting straps to take pressure off your grip and forearm tendons during pulling movements. And finally, try a multi-handled bar. It helps you find a more comfortable angle for your elbows. Small changes, big relief. Follow for more pain-free training tips.